Delicious custard fruit trifle. Ingredients: fresh country 1 kilograms, vanilla custard powder 5 tablespoons, strawberry jelly powder 4 tablespoons. Making jelly powder 4 tablespoons. Apple to digits, bananas for digits. Apple to digits, bananas for digits. Simple cake as needed. Chinese 8 to 10 tablespoons or as much as you need. Synthesis. First, cook strawberry jelly and banana jelly in 2 cups of water and cook. Take it off and keep it for freezing. Then cut the fruit and cake into cubes. Boil the milk, then add sugar and cook. Then open the custard. Boil the milk, then add sugar and cook. Then open the custard. Powder in it and run the spoon. When it thickens, turn off the stove. Now, in the same pot in which to serve, first layer the sliced cake. Pieces. Then make and layer the apples and also layer both the jelly. Then put the prepared custard on it and repeat the same layer again. Then enjoy your sweet family members' custard fruit trifle.